Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princeton Trader, here with your Monday morning market webcast. Okay, so look, last week we talked about sell rallies mode, living below the daily mid-band, living below the 200. All those things continue to be true. They were true Friday. They traded as high as 52.75. They sold it down really hard later in the day. Broke 2600. We opened right around the same. So we've been down to 96.97. They bounced it as high as 16.75 in the overnight, probably for no other reason than to take me out of my 26.16 short that I was trying to hit a home run on from the Friday close. And then they went ahead and rolled it right back over and are back down testing 26.01 right around the roundy. So look, we're going to battle over this 2600 roundy. I expect it to be really whippy and choppy off the open today. And if the Bears win the battle of 2600, then certainly 2583 is very much under threat, and I would expect it to be at least tested, if not broken. But then you start to talk about the February lows of 2550. If it's going to, we talked about this at 2800, 2700, now 2600, you can see what this market's doing. It's gradually trying to find where this particular low is going to be, and it may be nearby, and it may not. And if you're only worried about the next 5 or 10 handles in front of you to get you to the next 5 or 10 handles, then you don't have to worry about picking bottoms, and you don't have to worry about guessing about tops. We saw this most recent rally kind of die in RTH up in and around 33, 32.5, 33. That was really the flip area for us. We had been long 31s in the morning, and then we ended up shorting 33, and that basically, that was the day. Ended up being 18 handles, 20 on Thursday, so about 140 handle week in the room, which is great. Unless something changes, as we get closer to Christmas, I'm not going to give you the usual speech about how things tend to slow down until something actually slows down. You've got very nice volatility, very tradable tapes all last week, and same deal Sunday night coming into Monday morning. So right now I'm flat. I'm going to let it open up. I want to see who wants to win 2600 off the open, and then we'll kind of take it from there. The new weekly pivot is up at 25.83. The next, I'm calling them bear market rallies. The next bear market rally should test that weekly pivot. It was a struggle to get to the weekly pivot last week. So just so you know, everything now is on the March contract, at least for me. That started Friday. It's into Monday. So all the numbers in the daily report today, for those of you that are not in the room, for those of you that are in the room, the support and resistance table, the pivot table, the crazy town table, everything is now weekly pivots, monthly pivots, everything is in the March contract. Briefing pivot is something that subscribers get every morning. It's a list of pivots and numbers, my personal support and resistance table, along with the webcast and everything else to get them ready to trade with us and be very successful during the course of the trading day. So that's all in the March contract now. So everybody have a fantastic day. We'll be out with some more stuff on social. Let's see what 2600 wants to be. Quick peek at the hourly. Let's see what 2600 wants to be. You can see what it's trying to do. It's lower highs and lower lows, consistent hourly mid-band resistance, and 2600 is the next deal. All right, take care, trade them well, talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.